I drop my pick.
Mike's always got to make fun of me because he doesn't use picks, so he'll just be tossing them out to people he doesn't have one. You guys ready to let the wolf out? You ready to sing along with Conniption? This one's really easy. It just goes, hey! 1, 2, 3! All the way back there. Come on. 1, 2, 3! One more. 1, 2, 3! That's right. This one's called Let the Wolf Out. All the way in the fucking back. Hey! Hey! Let the wolf out. Some people just don't get it. Different days, same old shit. Sometimes it seems like the whole world's against me. Starting to realize that nothing is free. Time has come. Let it out. If you want some, come get some, motherfuckers. To love it. To love out. Stop me. I'm still going to be. Sometimes it seems like I talk to a wall. I'm starting to realize it's only so tall. Time has come. Let it out. If you want some. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, Mr. Bill fucking Summerfest. Let's do it. Come on! Hey, 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 hey. Let's do it. Let's do it.